Bambu Lab X1 carbon, and was using some pretty brittle filament cracked in the AMS. So we're gonna figure out what's wrong. So this is my symptom here, right? Just trying to load / unload, whichever one of the two. It's trying to pull back the current filament. Fails to pull back the filament. Okay. But our issue is that this whole line is clear. This line is clear, and I even pushed filament down and retracted it manually, so that's all clear. There's still something stuck in my AMS. So 2mm Allen, you loosen those 2 screws. The good way to do it, you never force, 'cause it's all plastic. You gotta kind of push it forward, that, and then you're gonna butt it up against the back here, and then kind of just flex it just a bit. You just get over the bump with this little push release for your PTFE tube. There's a wire here, so don't yank. There's a little desiccant box, you can remove that. All right. So usually when these clog up, the issue is these lines here. But what I think is I have something in here, because I cleared all this out and I'm still getting the warning. I fed in number 1 before. See, this one goes in. It goes in about till here. So you got at least an inch, 1.25 inches. This one doesn't go. But for the life of me, I can't push it out, push it through, it's just in there. So this is why I'm making this video. It's gonna be of me opening this guy up, taking it out, and diagnosing the issue. All right, wiring off. These look like 2mm. And that's it. Maybe if I just take this guy off. So that's a 1.5mm. And what do we have here? Okay. All right. So we got magnets, springs. 4 magnets, 4 springs. And there is our little fella right there. So how do we get that guy out there? What's in here? Hold on. No, we're still okay, possibly. Here. Not sure. Is it still here? Wait, yeah, that's over there. There's no way. Interesting. Okay, so what I'll do is and that's all. Okay. Nice. So I think we're actually. It's still but no, okay. All right, 6. Good to see you guys. Okay, 6 here. And that's it. That's it, folks. Look at that. Very simple piece. Pretty easy to take apart. Yeah, if all your lines are clear, your nozzle's clear, and you don't know why the machine won't feed filament from the AMS, well, odds are it's cracked in here. So slap it back together and give it a go. So yeah, the angle they're going to go in, or the orientation, is going to be this way, like that, because the filament's going to come and push this down towards the sensor. So I'm going to put these in here. There's one. Yeah, just like that. All right, that's how you do it, folks. Well, probably not, but that's how I got it done. So this is the port we were having problems with. Retry. Good. That's gonna load this filament. All right, well, that's how you do it when your filament manifold is clogged or has a broken piece in it. That's how you take it apart and put it back together.